ex-team. And when we were given the opportunity, I remember Boss Martin, ito yung kinuwento, yung totoo yun, umabot sa point na medyo nagkakagulo na kami, nagsangla na siya ng relo, and we didn't know what to do. But when he invited me to be part of that event, I was in a bad place. But I just said yes, because I had faith in Boss Martin. And he faith in me. And a lot of what we have achieved here at Tanner started with faith. We were guided by faith. By God's grace, we're all here 8 years down the line. Quick story, and kasama dito yung mga friends natin from Cebu. Thank you for being here tonight to our ITI friends. He sent me to a mission to look for clients in Cebu for 3 days. And that time, we were really scrambling for more opportunities. I remember, dapat Friday uwi na ako, nag-extend ako ng another day, kasi sa Saturday, yung meeting ko. And from there, dapat diretso na ako ng airport. Papunta na ako airport sa Cebu samantalang, sarado yung kalye. Yun pala, nag-lockdown na sa Manila. And yung 3 days ko, naging 7 months akong stranded sa Cebu. But believe it or not, during those times of uncertainty, like what we are facing now, with the oil crisis, with the uncertainties in the flood control projects, during those times of uncertainty, those were the times when Tangier proved that it is a partner of choice and that it is what can help our clients and our partners understand the uncertainties of those times. During that time na naka-lockdown time lahat, no one knew what was happening. Ako na, nandito ako sa Cebu, parang what's happening? And then we started doing our buy-in studies. So I'm very proud, please give a round of applause for our team who did the Baka Filipino studies. Because that's an evolution of what we do. We help not just ourselves, we help our clients and partners understand the uncertainties of uncertain times. And there we were doing these buy-in studies that help our clients and even the government understand how do we handle the situation? How are people feeling when we were locked down? How are people buying their essential goods? And it started from there. Before I go in, we had one client after another. Iba doon ex-deal pa, ang ginawa niyo po sa market, yung mga nakuha niyong goods doon sa ex-deals, pinamigay yung canned goods at saka yung mga goods na yun, doon sa mga communities where they needed it the most. So, another trivia, bakit Tangier yung pangalan ng Tangier? When Boss Martin invited me, yung Tangier daw, hindi kasi parang kabalik na rin ulit yung Tangier. Gusto ko, tutunin yung apps natin, i-download, i-touch para mataas yung usage, but it told them no. What you're not seeing here is that Tangier became, and wanted to be and became, a touch point of ideas and of innovation that is in touch with the Filipino spirit, and we hope to be that moving forward in the next 8 years. Again, thank you for your partnership. Thank you for the hard work of our employees, and thank you for your trust. Cheers to 8 and 88 and 800 more years of friendship and success. Thank you, and God bless you all.